So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to set up EE TV Box Mini install Wi-Fi setup and activation step. So how to set up EE TV Box Mini. Connect the EE TV Box Mini to your TV with the HDMI cable and plug it the power adapter. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect the device to the internet. Sign in to your EE account or enter the activation code and follow the on-screen steps to finish setup. So step 1 is connect TV and EE TV Box Mini. Take the EE TV Box Mini, HDMI cable, remote and power adapter out of the box. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the EE TV Box Mini and the other end to an HDMI port on your TV. Plug the power adapter into the EE TV Box Mini and connect it to the power outlet. So if you have a TV aerial cable, plug it into the blue round aerial port on the back of the EE TV Box Mini. This connection allows the box to receive free view channels through the TV aerial signal. Step 2 is turn on TV and EE TV Box Mini. Turn on your EE TV box by pressing the power button. Power on your TV using the TV remote. Use the TV remote to switch to the HDMI input where the EE TV Box Mini is connected. Wait for the EE welcome or setup screen to appear. So, if you are using Ethernet cable, now you need to connect your EE TV Box Mini to the internet using your home Wi-Fi network or broadband router. Plug one end of the cable to backside of the TV box and another end to the router. Pair the EE remote if the system asks you to connect it. Wait while the system update app and setting if required. Use the remote to select language. Choose Wi-Fi as your internet connection type. A list of available Wi-Fi network will appear on the screen. Select your home Wi-Fi network name from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Select connect and wait for the device to connect to the internet. Once the setup is complete, the EE TV home screen will appear and you can start using the device. If you are connected to LAN, ignore the Wi-Fi setup. Step 3 is activate and finish the setup. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the screen will display the EE TV activation or sign in page. Sign in with your EE account if prompted. If an activation code appears, follow the instructions shown on the screen to activate your device. Remove the plastic tab from the remote batteries. Point the remote at the box and press the power button to pair it automatically. Thank you.